Okay, my sink is leaking right at the bottom of the drain where the tailpiece pipe connects. So I'm going to use a 14-inch pipe wrench to loosen the nut. And then take that off and remove the tailpiece washer. And this tailpiece washer is slightly damaged, so I'm going to have to replace it. Here's my new tailpiece washer. Now I'm going to clean up the connections. Put a little plumber's tape around the threads. Put the new tailpiece washer in and tighten the nut. I'm going to make it as tight as I can by hand, and then make it just a little extra tight with the pipe wrench. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.